my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be showing you something super different, and this is something I would have never imagined, that LED lights can be used in treating your skin problems. So I have this product and I'm going to give you a detailed review of this, and which is this LED mask. Yes, after wearing this you're going to look like a ghost, and this is a panel wherein all the different lights are lit, and depending upon the frequencies it helps in treating the different kind of skin condition you have. Like if I am someone who is suffering from pigmentation, then I should go for a light which is yellow LED light, and I am going to be talking about this product in detail. For that we quickly need to dive into the video, guys, and I am going to show you how to use this and everything, which light is used for what conditions and how it is going to help you. For that we quickly need to get into the video, guys, and also if you're someone who isn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So let's quickly dive into the video. So guys, this is how the mask looks like, and it is also used by Hollywood celebrities across the globe, and it is also accepted by International Medical Organization that if you use specific wavelength on your skin, it helps in treating the various skin condition. It works on the principle of photodynamics. So there are different LED lights on this panel. Whenever your skin get exposed to these lights, it helps in removing various condition like hyperpigmentation, your skin is sagging, have acne scars, lots of acne marks, if your skin is inflamed. So there are various wavelengths for various skin condition, and it is believed to be working amazingly well. I know this is on a little bit of expensive side. Also it comes with a remote control wherein you can control the intensity of light. There are 3 intensities and you can set them accordingly. Also there is a mark by which you can change the color, and it comes with an adapter remote control as well. After that, it's very simple to use. You just need to clean your face and just pat your skin dry with a clean towel. After that you need to just put it on. You can put it on depending upon the severity of a condition you are suffering from. You can put it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and you can choose the wavelength of light accordingly. Like I have mentioned in the video before as well, that there are different wavelengths for different skin conditions. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and if you are someone who want to order this device, I'm gonna give the link in the description box below, and I hope you know the drill. Make sure that you are subscribing to my channel, and also make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. I'll give my social media links in the description box below, and I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.